I'm just going to check on how my Tom Kakai perfume is macerating, and it looks like something has gone very wrong with my maceration. It appears that one of the ingredients has frozen out of suspension. So I was macerating this perfume in the fridge, and it is now full of frozen stuff because apparently coconut CO2 freezes at refrigerator temperature, and it all froze out of suspension. So always be careful about what your perfume contains before deciding to macerate it in the refrigerator, because it might just freeze. Let this be a lesson that if you have CO2 extracts in your formula, it might not be the wisest idea to macerate them in the refrigerator, because some of them seem to have a freezing point above refrigerator temperature.